Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. In continuation of our culinary journey of 60 dishes from 20 different countries, today we present Chicken Satay from Indonesia. Along with flavorsome peanut sauce, this meat skewers will be the spotlight of any get-together. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel for the latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. For preparing the marination, I have chopped few ingredients. I'll be chopping the white part of the lemongrass. The stalks, I'll be retaining it for applying oil. All these ingredients, I'll grind it into a fine paste. Then I'll take little amount of cumin seeds. To that I'll be adding fennel seeds and grind these together into a fine powder. The curry paste is ready. This curry paste I'll be using for marination as well as the peanut sauce. I have cut the chicken thighs, which are boneless, into bite size, and then I've taken one large chicken breast which I'll be cutting into tiny chunks. Then I'll sprinkle the cumin seed and fennel seed powder over the meat. I have taken the chicken breast and thighs in different bowls. I'll be using the oven for grilling the chicken thigh pieces and air fryer for grilling the chicken breast. I'll sprinkle little amount of turmeric over the meat, followed by adding the curry paste. Then I'll sprinkle little amount of plain flour over the meat. The curry paste already has salt, so I'll not be adding any salt at this stage. Then I'll squeeze fresh lime over the meat. Mix it thoroughly such that the meat is thoroughly coated with the marination. Drizzle little amount of cooking oil. This keeps the meat moist. I will allow the meat to get marinated for 3 to 4 hours by putting up in the refrigerator. Then I'll start preparing the skewers by soaking the bamboo sticks in water. This prevents the sticks from getting charred in the oven. The meat has been thoroughly marinated. I'll thread in the skewers. Then place it on the grilling rack and apply little amount of cooking oil over it. This I'll be grilling in the oven at 180 degrees for around 12 to 15 minutes. Then for the air fryer, I have lined the air fryer basket with parchment paper. I'll directly keep the marinated meat over the parchment paper. Apply little amount of cooking oil, and this I'll be grilling around 10 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Now coming to the peanut sauce. I have the ingredients ready. First, I'll heat up little amount of cooking oil in a small saucepan or a wok. Then I'll add whatever left out curry paste which I used for marination for the sauce. So it is like using the same curry paste for marination as well as the peanut sauce. Then I'll add the tamarind pulp. Then in goes little amount of jaggery. I'll cook till the oil separates. For extra creaminess, you can add either peanut butter or a little amount of ground peanuts. Then for a crunch, I'll be adding little amount of crushed peanuts. If any salt is needed, you can add at this stage. Then you can dilute it with little amount of water and cook the sauce for around 5 minutes. Then you can add thick coconut milk and this takes another 5 minutes for the sauce to get ready. And the meat that I put up in the air fryer, let me have a look. The meat in the air fryer is also ready for serving. Since I used the same curry paste for the marination as well as the peanut sauce, the dish has been made super easy. Enjoy this and please let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest updates.